reduce the cost, increase the storage capacity also. It is not a particular amount of space, it is a huge amount of space is available. And one more thing is, if you are upgrading any kind of versions, suppose you are using one kind of software, later they are introducing a new version, the client is also asking for updating a new kind of software, you need to purchase and again, right? That is a very much burden to the developers and companies also. So if you are registered in any kind of cloud software, you don't bother about the infrastructure facilities and software kind of upgradation. The cloud is automatically upgrading. While upgrading the software also, some little bit drawbacks will be available in our application. So that time also the company peoples, the cloud computing peoples take care, and you can support those kind of stuff is also. So no need to bother about these kind of upgradation issues also. You can concentrate in your logic, you can develop the application, you can deploy this application into in our cloud area. That is the main advantage of cloud. No need to install any kind of software also. We can access from any location. That is one more advantage. You can sit in our home also, you can able to work on that one. Right? You can monitor the entire applications also, cloud kind of applications also. Right? And one more is maintenance and low kind of risk also. So, and one more thing is multi-tenant tech. What is multi-tenant tech means? It is a allowing one operating system to one language to another language, and you can maintain different kind of applications, not only marketing, not only HR, not only finance, not only business logics applications, any kind of applications you can integrate the cloud computer. Okay. See, in cloud computing, one of the frame is CRM, customer relational management. In that customer relational management system, Salesforce is also one kind of tool. Okay, you can use Salesforce, you can develop different kind of applications, not only for a business logic kind of applications, means a school management or HR maintenance or any kind of finance or marketing. These kind of applications, n number of applications can able to develop this Salesforce. Extra features are there. And one more thing is, Salesforce is updating very quickly. They are introducing, depending upon the market strategy, they are releasing the different kind of versions. Those are the summer release and winter release and spring release, like that. There are different kind of release sessions are available. Okay. These are the main things we are going to see. Now I am sharing. I think you are seeing my desktop, right?
Yes, I can see your desktop.
Right.
So
right.
one question, is it, can I ask now or is it later? That,
no problem. You can ask me.
Yeah. So upgrade, software upgrading, right? So if that is happening, the older versions, like how will that be? How will that still support those older versions?
Yes, there is backward compatibilities also they are following. Even they are introducing a new technology also. Okay. See, you know Java, right? If you are using any kind of Java 1.5 kind of project, there is a backward compatibility is there in 1.6 also, but they are not using any latest software applications. They are saying deprecated methods. There are deprecated methods. That's the meaning. If you are not using the latest projects, but the backward compatibility is available. So in the same way, in Salesforce also, if you are developing any kind of application, even the releases are upgraded automatically, no need to bother. The backward compatibility and the conversion of the application will take care by the cloud people. Okay?
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Now, I'm showing one PPT here so that you can understand better way.
Okay. So from Java to
So
Salesforce, like the transition, is it going to be okay? Or because Java is like full coding, right? And Salesforce, it is a
right.
tool where yeah, which is like
Right.
it.
Actually, in Salesforce there is a two parts. One is a administration part, and one is the developer part.
Developer part,
How
yes.
you know Oracle, right? In Oracle also administrator
Yes.
and DBA and development, and the similar
Yes.
kind of Salesforce also having a administration part and developer part. If you are
Okay.
choosing administrator part, you are not writing any single key. Just
Okay.
everything is screen-oriented settings only.
Okay.
And if you want to interest in development kind of scenarios also, there is a facility called 501 that is totally development.
Okay.
Here in development, you are comfortable in component, how we developing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery,
Yes.
right? In the
Yes.
similar kind of stuff we are using in Salesforce developer also, that is
Okay.
Visual Force pages. If you are comfortable to develop the business logic, enterprise application logics, EJB kind of application logic, or if you are very strong in SQL triggers, right? This kind of stuff is also you can use in Apex language is there in Salesforce development part. So that is 501.
Okay.
There is
So
a
the
two parts.
EJB
One.
also, like we have to use EJBs also in
No. What I'm saying is not not like that. You can use that kind of business logic.
Okay. Yeah.
And one more thing, you can integrate in different kind of application like Outlook, Charter, and you can use different kind of applications into Salesforce also. Adobe Flex. There are different kind of languages also you can able to integrate. We can say that kind of also. This is only for demo. That's the reason I'm stressing what is the cloud computing first. You know right now what is the cloud computing. The cloud computing is very simple. That is one kind of repository that is providing infrastructure, platform support, and software support. That in that cloud computing, one of the tool is CRM tool, customer relational modeling. That the part we are learning, one of the popular framework kind of stuff, that is a Salesforce. In the Salesforce also there is a two parts. One is the administration part and one is development part. Okay, right. See, do you use the cloud till now? No, you are not using till now, right? Even though a similar kind of operations you are using, right? Suppose if you are uploading any huge kind of file, you are using a drive, Google Drive, right? And you are uploading any kind of video, you are using a YouTube, right? Like that, there are different kind of companies are available. They are using a cloud kind of software. Why? Because they are not able to maintain the huge amount of data. If you are using a SkyDriver or Google Driver or YouTube or Twitter or Facebook or LinkedIn, per second number of records will be added, right? So the maintenance is very difficult by the small industries, small companies or middle level companies. If you are using a cloud computing, they will give the load balancing and downtime, and 99.5% is always actively the domain is available, the records is available. It is not interrupting any kind of situation. That is the main feature of the cloud. Okay, and one more thing is presently lot of companies are using like Drupal and WebEx and GoToMeeting And there are different kind of applications are using in cloud computing. Okay. And one more thing is, if you are using cloud, you need to register first. Okay, I will show how to register, how to log in the Salesforce and all. And one more thing is, suppose if you are using local system and if you are developing any kind of software application where you are storing in our CPU hard drive, or if you want to carry that application, what is required, pen drive or CD, right? Infrastructure is required. So if you are placing instead of hard drive and instead of a CD and instead of a pen drive, you can store information or in your application to cloud, you can access anywhere. That is the main advantage of cloud. And one more is backward compatibility and backup storage is also available. Suppose if you are maintaining a backup facility in our project, you need to maintain additional space resource also, right? So in cloud computing, they will take care of all the remaining backup functionalities and memory management and everything. That is the main thing of the Salesforce support team. Okay. And one more thing is saving the documentations and storage capacity and download the files and everything very easy access, and uploading the files also very easy. Only one thing is, if you have an internet connection, if you have knowledge on opening the browsers, different kind of browsers, that is enough for developing the applications. That much of simple application you are using a Salesforce. Okay. And one more thing is, HTTP, how to give the URL and all, right? That knowledge is enough for developing the Salesforce kind of application. Okay. One thing is, you need to comfortable with give the different kind of partitioning and information, relevant information. That is enough. And one more thing, once you can develop the Salesforce kind of application, you can able to give this application to smartphones at like tablet PCs and desktop applications and internet-based applications and enterprise applications. Like that, you can easily transfer your application to different kind of applications, different kind of devices. That is also one kind of advantage. Okay. Can you hear me, my voice? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello? Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, right. Now I'm showing how to log in Salesforce. Once you can log in into the Salesforce, you can see this is a trial version. I'm showing. See how you are logging Gmail. The similar kind of stuff I'm using. Just I'm showing the functionality. That's the reason. See, like this. If you are to administrator report, this can, if you know, this is administrator setup.
Okay.
This is the administration cost. Once you can see all these kind of functionalities, that is enough. If you are learning all these concepts, administrator part is over.
Okay.
That much simple concepts. Okay. And these are the concepts. If you are learning, you are completed administrator parts. If you are developing any kind of application, there is a developer console is also there. Similar kindly, you can develop the developer kind of applications also. Suppose if you are go to developer console, you can use the developer console and you can write the Java related syntax applications. Okay. And one more thing is, Salesforce is provided.
Can you
tell me?
Yeah, is it just Java?
Yeah, tell me.
Does it support only Java or even like .NET also, like any
Yeah.
language, concept language?
It is support .NET kind of syntax and Java kind of syntax.
Mm.
See, one comparison I'm taking right now. You know C sharp, right?
Yes.
Word,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
How it is? Look like C, look like Java kind of stuff
Yes.
only, right?
Yes, that's right.
Right. That kind of similar kind of syntax will be there. It is not at all exactly, just for understanding purpose. If you know that kind of syntax, you can understand better
Okay.
in Salesforce also.
Okay.
It is not mandatory also. If you don't know also, no problem. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is, if you know the syntax structure, you can able to identify, right? Easily recognize the
Mm-hmm.
recognition of the syntax is very easy. That's the reason I'm
Yeah.
saying.
Mm-hmm.
If you know these kind of things is also very easy. And one more thing
Okay.
is, Salesforce.com offers everything. We need to transfer our business into a social enterprise, so we can connect to the customers and employees like never before, right? So
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce is using different kind of applications for different kind of purpose. For example, I'm giving the those kind of applications list here. One is Force.com.
Okay.
Force.com is the cloud platform to automate the extend the business by developing the application. Simply, what I'm saying is this Force.com is used for developing the application.
Mm.
Simply, I'm saying. Okay. And
Okay.
one more is site.com
Okay.
and site.com. No need to, suppose if you are developing any kind of website,
Mm-hmm.
you need to read domain, you need to approach the web designers and develop the applications and everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you know the Salesforce, directly you can use the site.com and develop the website. So you can design and publish the websites and social pages, different kind of pages through site.com. Simply,
Okay.
this is used for website development.
Okay.
Website development and publish or deploy. This is the feature. And one more thing is data.com. It is one kind of collection of data. You can use the how we are using a database, Oracle, MySQL, right? In the
Mm-hmm.
similar kind of you can deal the database kind of stuff. So you can use the data.com.
Okay.
Suppose it deals with correct data. That is the main thing. And next one is database.com. That is also different. Database.com. It is the only database server natively built and for social enterprise applications. It is also database, but it is a social enterprise applications. We are using database.com. These are the different kind of parts in Salesforce. They are using for developing applications. We are using force.com. If we are developing a website kind of stuff, we are using a site.com. If you are correcting any kind of data, you can use a data.com. If you are interacting enterprise database or social enterprise data, you are using a database.com. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And one more thing is App Exchange. App Exchange is the directory where we can get the inbuilt applications. We can directly download the application from the App Exchange, just like it is a FTP kind of tool. Okay,
Yeah.
how we are using, how we are developing web pages, and how we are uploading these web pages into our domain. In the similar way, in Salesforce, if you are developing any kind of pages, and you can upload the by using App Exchange. And one more thing is Chatter. Chatter. it will be boost employee productivity with a private and secure social network for company for internal communication. Suppose in our internal team members, no need to communicate software, right? Through chatter, you can post any kind of information to in our organization, in our office, colleagues. You can share any kind of software, you can share any kind of meeting information, you can share any kind of presentations, you can post any kind of working problems, so that there are different kind of organization peoples, they can respond through chatter. Chatter is just like a Yahoo Messenger, similar kind of stuff in Salesforce. Okay. So through chatter also you can communicate different kind of things. And one more thing is Hiroko is one kind of what? Hiroko. Hiroko is a cloud application platform. It's newly building and deploying the web pages. Suppose if you are developing any kind of web pages, you can use the Hiroko also. You can comment these web pages into Salesforce. And one more thing is Radiant 6. It is also social media and it is monitoring and engagement platform. This will be responsible for analyzing and engage the conversations with customers and public social networks, so that you can use this kind of this kind of product. You can interact with a different kind of social medias and everything. Mostly CRM tool is concentrating for mainly customer-oriented applications. They are developing the mainly customer-oriented applications, and mainly they are focusing automation business development. Suppose if you are developing any kind of product, you need to marketing that product, right? So if you are marketing that product, you need a different kind of marketing peoples and advertisements and cold calling, telecalling, right? There are different kind of approaches you need to develop. You need to maintain the deliver the product, right? Instead of going that product marketing and everything, if you are using this Salesforce product, you can concentrate on development side. Rest of things is you can use these kind of products, and you can automatically generate the telecalling, lead generation, campaign, and there are different kind of things you can able to perform by using Salesforce, right? So Salesforce is used to automate your business application. No need to concentrate. No need to concentrate. No need to concentrate on your entire business marketing, telecalling, and everything. You can concentrate on your business logic. Rest of thing will automated by the Salesforce. That is the main advantage. And one more thing is, if you are looking any certifications, you need to do the administration part first, then you can use the development part. And one more thing is, once you can certify the Salesforce certified programmer or certified administrator, you need to maintain your certification also. Why? Because Salesforce is releasing every season, right? Winter, spring, like that. They are releasing the different kind of versions. So once you can completed the certification also, whatever the upgraded versions or commands are available, you need to update and write the exam once again. Once you can certify, they are giving the upgradation certification is free.
Okay.
First one is cost. You need to pay. Second onwards, you need to, suppose if you are completed a summer release, okay, immediately winter release is also available. Whenever winter release is came into the market, they are giving the upgradation material and everything also, who are certified. So you need to go through once and you need to attend it. They give the 2 chances. Okay. So whenever you are keeping this kind of certification, your value of the Salesforce certification is also a key part. Okay. Once you can certify, the job opportunity is also very high.
Okay, so if we like as you said, like upgradation is like free, right, for 2 times. If we write summer and if we did not get a chance to write in winter, and again if we take the spring one, then is that valid, or every season we have to keep upgrading? How is it?
They are giving one chance. They are upgrading. I think summer release 2014 is there. So once you can go through the rules and regulations, then only we let you know.
Okay, okay. No, it's just a question. It's
Okay. Better to once you can register or any kind of site, also they are giving the rules and
information.
regulations
Yes,
information.
that's
So
right.
that is very easy. Only one thing is Salesforce learning curve is very small compared to other languages. Okay,
Okay.
suppose if you want to learn Java, it is taking 3 months minimum.
Yes, that's right.
Right. If you
Yeah.
are learning a .NET, you need to learn a C# and ASP.NET, right? There are different kind of topics will be there in, right?
Yes.
So if you are choosing Salesforce, there is only two parts, and these two parts is one is administration part and second one is developer part. These are the parts are there in Salesforce itself. No need to learn all these parts. No need to learn all these things. One thing is, if you are learning all these things, just one thing you can concentrate. Any one or two is enough. For example, if you are developing only applications, you can concentrate in force.com. If you want to develop only websites, you can concentrate site.com. But job opportunities, whenever you are entering into job opportunity, some part of time you can integrate all these kind of parts, development parts, right? One is suppose if you are developing one application, right? This application is already developed and you need to support only right now.
Okay.
Already development is over. Right now we are supporting that project.
Okay.
Newly you are joined into the organization. Already development is over, right? In our system, what is required? You need to download the entire application into our local system. According to the client requirement, you need to modify and upload the again, right? Suppose in website also, in a website, suppose if you are developing any kind of website that is having a 5 pages, okay? In the first pages, the client is asking to change some modifications. What we are doing? We are downloading the entire website first in our local system. According to the client requirement, you are modifying the pages. Then you are uploading again, right, into domain. In the similar way, you are using Apex Exchange also. You are taking the entire stuff and you are modifying according to the requirement and upload the. So not only for development, you can learn all the things at once only. Some point of time, if depend upon your requirement, you are working on one or two components, not only all the components. Okay. Whenever you are integrating a different kind of social medias or any kind of other application, then only you are using Heroku or RAD 6, this kind of stuff. This is the thing that is also very easy through your GUI, graphical in the user interface only you are using and you are integrating the application. Okay, in this way you are using Salesforce. This is a simple demonstration I am saying. And one more thing is, what is Salesforce automation? Generally, Salesforce is one kind of automation. It is on demand customer relation. It is automatically marketing, automatically customer support, and automatically what are the versions are there, automatically upgrade, right? This is the main Salesforce automation. In Salesforce automation, there is a different kind of tools they are included. One is Salesforce marketing includes, In that, marketing includes they are using a campaign management, lead management, and search marketing and contract management, right? These kind of stuff, and opportunity management, accounts management, case management, solution management. There are different kind of managements they are available in Salesforce at once. Simply what I'm saying is, you know, say, SAP, right? HR, finance, and like that.
Yes.
In the similar way, if you are any kind of customer related applications, you can able to develop through Salesforce. That's the simple conclusion. Okay. Only one thing is they are releasing the every season. They are releasing the upgradation. Depend upon the market requirement, they are upgrading and they are fastly releasing the versions season wise, summer, winter, spring, like that. They are releasing the different kind of versions. You need to upgrade. Then only you know the suppose if you are learning a Java, if you are learning a .NET framework, how you are upgrading, similar way here also. But here is a very fast way, depending upon the market situation, they are releasing the versions. That is the difference between other languages and Salesforce. No need to require. If you have a fast internet application, that's enough. If you have a browser, that is enough. Okay. In this way, you are learning the Salesforce, and the job market is also. I think this kind of applications are suitable in small companies and mid-level companies and MNCs also. Now MNCs, most of them in the Capgemini and Wipro and Infosys. There are different kind of large 5 companies. They are already introduced the Salesforce and they are developing the different kind of projects and all. Okay, so how to develop the applications, how to see the different kind of applications, what is the flow, how it is executed, we can see later. This is only for demo purpose. That's the reason I am not introducing. Today what I am saying is, first thing is, what is cloud? What is the benefit of cloud? What are the platforms are supported by the cloud? What is exactly Salesforce? What is CRM? These kind of stuff I am introducing. One more time, I am repeating this one. Cloud is a one kind of repository. You no need to bother the software or infrastructure or platform support. These kind of facility is given by the cloud. That is the first point. Number 2, Salesforce is the one kind of customer relational management tool provided by the cloud. Okay, there are different kind of cloud computing tools are available, but Salesforce is one of the most popular tool. Okay, if you are learning Salesforce, you can able to develop any kind of customer related applications. It is supported automated management, campaign management, and lead management. You can promote your business through Salesforce. Is very easy. Whether it is a marketing business or HR business or a finance business or any kind of business, automatically you can concentrate on this application. That is the main thing. Okay. And one more thing is, Salesforce is, there are different kind of platforms they are supporting. There are different kind of simple topics they are using. Based on these topics, you can separate the business logic area. You can separate the operation of the Salesforce work. One is administration part, one is the development part.
Okay.
This is the scenarios I'm introducing. Once you can satisfy, then we can continue the remaining sessions and all. The course content and fee structure will be explained by the company people. Okay? If you have any queries also, you can ask me right now. No problem.
Yeah, sure. So like only like admin you said, right, even for the certification first we need to pass the admin, then only we go for developer, right? So we'll get training only for developer. So if we want to do certification, right, like how do we do that? So training will be provided for certification also?
Yes, my training is main concentrate on certification oriented and as well as real-time development oriented. So I'm keep in mind in certification and development scenarios. Okay, I will give the different kind of dump also. Once you can study the dump, you can clear the very easy certification also. Right? You know Java certifications, dump, and different kind of certifications dump, right? Similar way you can. And one more thing, job opportunity. Yes, if you are finishing the Salesforce training and if you are finishing the certifications, what is the difference? See, some clients are looking into certification peoples only. This is a new tool, right, in the market. That the reason what the company peoples are doing is they are hiring first and they are giving the certification voucher also freely. If you are very good stuff and right, theoretically and practically, they are giving the vouchers freely. While I'm working in one of MNC, actually I'm a Java guy. I'm a Java team lead at the time. They are forming the new Salesforce team. I'm a team lead in the Salesforce team. Myself, I'm updating Salesforce, and we are developing POCs. We are presenting these POCs into London. So based on the presentation, the company is acquiring a lot of projects also. Okay. So at that time, the company people are giving the vouchers. So no need to spend the money also. So first of all, you can concentrate on training material and develop small POCs. POCs here, small projects. Okay, once you can develop these kind of projects, you gain the confidence and prepare the interview questions and daily interaction, trainers and applications, then you can able to clear the interviews and get the job very easy. And a lot of requirements available in the right now in the Indian market also. Not only for UK and US, right now in Indian market is also very high. Okay. So I'm saying it is only required for India. It is globally. It is every company is looking into Salesforce, and they are forming a separate SaaS team, and the SaaS team is maintaining the Salesforce kind of stuff. Okay. Right. If you have any more questions.
No. Thank you so much.
Right.
Okay, thank you.